Alright, I got this monkey wrench that I'm trying to refurbish. It had this broken handle and I wanted to replace that, get that redone so it wasn't, they had some copper wire sticking in there to hold it together, but they would just poke you in the hand anyway. Anyway, I need to make a new handle, and so I decided that I would make it out of brass. And this just came from this piece of, you know, 1.25 inch pipe probably. So I cut that in half, cut it off to about the right length, and then cut a couple hunks off the side. And then I got to the process of starting to shape this down and get it to fit all the contours and everything. It's pretty close to being done, but a couple things that are different about inletting the shape of wood versus brass. One is that wood is pretty forgiving. I can jam that in there and, you know, tap on it to mark where I need to take off some more material or something to get that shaped correctly. And it, you know, there's a lot of little fiddly bits in there to get all those contours and everything right, but it's pretty straightforward. Metal, on the other hand, is not nearly as easy to mark out or to get to shape because it just takes a little more effort to get it shaped out. And what I've been doing is using files and grinders and grinding wheels and different things to get this shaped correctly. But now that I'm in the final stages, I found that on this side I bent this end in a little bit, so it's not, you know, it's going to have a little more contour to it. This side I haven't done that yet, so it sticks out quite a bit. But I put this bolt in the middle just to hold it together to kind of finish up with the shaping, because really it's pretty difficult to bend a curved piece of metal in that direction, right? So that resists bending in this plane because of the curve. You kind of have to do a lot of work to get that done. I thought putting it on here with this screw would help me a lot with that. I don't know that it does, but it sure helps me position things a little better, get things planned out a little bit so that when I do make my bends, this will probably be on and off of here 10 or 20 more times, and then I will put the original rivet back into it that I was able to get out without drilling that out. That was pretty lucky. I'll put that back in. I'll have to recess for the head, but I'll put that back in where that bolt is going right now, and then just peen it over a little bit on this side once I get it in there, and hopefully everything will look pretty good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.